Good. Okay. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker. Get it, baby. Goddamn.
Granddaddy, what you talking about now?
What about it, boy? That old that drained them year.
Granddaddy, now you know.
Here.
Granddaddy, what you doing? Go lay down.
Goddammit, you better now record me, goddamn. I told you my fucking ass, don't come me. Come on.
It's a ball. It's a ball.
I'm at the way.
It's up in the
Smoke that shit, get high. Smoke that shit, get high. Smoke that shit, get high. What? My goddamn grandson. What my goddamn grandson there? He thought we bring me some money over here. Oh my god. Oh my grandson. Oh my grandkids. I love my grandkids. Yeah. Hey, little Monday, I got a doctor's appointment at 4 o'clock. You gonna come over? Huh? I gotta be there at 3:30. Yeah. Fuck her. I'm over here in my other grandson's house. Yeah. They got a big house over here. Yeah. Yeah. We got company for the cater in this house. Yeah. Do I have some money? I ain't got no money, but you come over here and try to come get you something to eat. I'ma feed you, but I ain't got no money. Yeah, I'm supposed to be going to step out tonight. I'm going to step in the name of love tonight. Yeah. Charlie Wilson? Yeah. 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 Yes. Yeah. I'm let go though. I gotta get out of here. Yeah. I hit the club. Yeah. Well, I hit the club. Dead like a shrub. Dead like a shrub. Dead like a shrub. I did it all, baby. Top of that shit. You know, I feel good to be alive today. Yeah. Yeah.
Granddaddy.
Shut-town, go work it out. Shut.
What is you doing? Oh, Granddaddy, all them.
Word.
Here you go.
Come on, let's work.
Granddaddy, Granddaddy,
Come on, let's work it to the bone.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Come on, let's work. Let's work. Come on, let's work it to the bone. Come on, let's work. Come on, let's work it to the bone. Come on, let's work it to the bone. look at